Hey everyone, welcome to our podcast. I am Ava. Today we talk about daily routines. Here is my friend David. Hi, David.
Hi, I am David. Good to be here, Ava. Routines are fun to share.
Yes, David. I think routine is a very important part of life. Many people think routine is boring, but I believe it makes life simple and peaceful.
I agree. When I do not follow a routine, my whole day feels messy. I forget things, I feel tired, and I feel stressed.
Same here. A good routine gives structure to our day. It helps us stay focused and calm.
So, Ava, let us start from the morning. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 5:30 every morning. It was difficult in the beginning, but now it feels natural.
That is very early. I wake up at 7:30, sometimes even later.
Do you feel rushed when you wake up late?
Yes, very rushed. I feel like I am always running behind time.
That is the problem with late mornings. When you wake up early, you feel more in control.
I want to wake up early, but I sleep late at night.
Sleep time is very important. If you sleep early, waking up early becomes easy.
I understand. So what is the first thing you do after waking up?
The first thing I do is drink a glass of water. It helps my body wake up.
I usually check my phone first.
That is a common habit, but not a good one. It fills your mind with too much information.
Yes, I start scrolling and waste time.
Try to avoid your phone for the first 30 minutes.
That sounds hard, but I will try.
After drinking water, I sit quietly.
Do you meditate?
Yes, but in a simple way. I just close my eyes and focus on my breathing.
How long do you do that?
Around 5 to 10 minutes.
That sounds easy. I think I can do that.
Yes, anyone can do it. It helps you feel calm and focused.
I feel stressed in the morning sometimes. Maybe this will help me.
It will definitely help. After that, I go for a short walk.
Morning walk sounds refreshing.
Yes, the air is fresh, the sky is calm, and everything feels peaceful.
Do you listen to music while walking?
Sometimes, but mostly I enjoy silence.
Silence is rare these days.
Yes, and that is why it feels special.
Do you think walking helps your mind?
Yes, a lot. It clears my thoughts.
I think I should start walking too.
Start small. Even 10 minutes is enough. After my walk, I take a shower and then prepare breakfast.
What do you usually eat?
Simple food like toast, eggs, fruits, and tea.
That sounds healthy. I skip breakfast many times.
That is not good. Breakfast gives you energy.
I feel lazy in the morning.
Start with something small. Do not skip it completely.
Okay, I will try to improve.
After breakfast, I start my work around 9.
You work from home, right?
Yes.
That's great. I have to travel to the office.
How long is your travel?
About 1 hour.
That must be tiring.
Yes, especially with traffic.
What do you do during travel?
I listen to music or podcasts.
That is a good use of time.
Yes, it makes the journey less boring.
What do you do after reaching office?
I check emails first.
Same here.
Then meetings start.
Do you enjoy meetings?
Not really.
Same. Too many meetings can be tiring.
Yes, sometimes I feel very bored.
That happens. When do you take lunch?
Around 1.
Same here.
What do you eat?
Simple home food.
After lunch, I feel sleepy.
That is normal.
What do you do then?
I take a short break and stretch.
I drink coffee.
That works too, but not too much. What time do you finish work?
Around 6:30.
I finish at 6.
What do you do after work?
I relax, read, or watch something.
I reach home around 7.
You must be tired.
Yes, very tired.
What helps you relax?
Sitting quietly and eating snacks.
That sounds nice. Do you exercise?
Not much.
You should start.
Yes, I will try.
Even a short walk is good.
I agree.
Now let's talk about night routine.
Yes.
I eat dinner at 8.
I eat at 9.
That is late.
Yes.
What do you do after dinner?
I use my phone.
Try to reduce that.
I will try.
I relax and talk with family.
That's nice.
Then I sleep around 10:30.
I sleep at 12.
That is late.
Yes.
So, David, what did you learn today?
I learned that routine is very important.
Yes, it makes life simple.
I will try to improve my routine.
That is great.
I will start with small steps.
That is the best way.
Thank you for sharing your routine.
Thank you too.
This was a great conversation.
Yes, and thank you, everyone, for listening.
See you in the next episode.
Take care and stay happy.